Hey guys, welcome back. I can't believe it's already been a year since I started my first garden. But come on, I can't wait to show you what I've started for this spring's garden. If you saw my last video, my other peppers were destroyed by that 20-degree cold snap that we had. So I'm glad to have these other peppers here. I have Jimmy Nardello, Yolo Wonder, Pimento, Keystone, Resistant Giant Bell Pepper, Shishito, Orange Alicia, Poblano. And I also have sage in there. And down here, I have more Keystone peppers, cayenne peppers. I did plant more banana peppers. I forgot I'd done that. Oh yeah, I have lobelia and more marigolds. I have them in there together, so I don't know which is which. And here are the tomato plants. They have really grown. I started these along with the peppers. They're doing really well. And then down here I have a variety of plants. Mostly what has come up here are snapdragons. But the straw flowers and the straw flowers for some reason did not germinate. So I have planted more of those. So here I have, these are marigolds, this one here. I have the regular French marigolds as well as the African marigolds that are white. These are all zinnias. I better go ahead and take the lid off these zinnias because they're starting to come up. Not enough of them are coming up though, but I did have that vent open so that some of the air can get out of there, but some of them seem to be, they're starting to stretch, and I don't want them to get leggy. And this tray, these are all basil plants. I have red robin basil, Siam basil, Genovese basil, Tulsi or holy basil, Piccolino basil, mammoth basil, purple petra, and lemon basils. And these are also flowers. I love the color of the zinnia, the envy, the green zinnias. They're so beautiful. And I have more sage here. And California bluebells. I have dahlias, giant mix. There are different colors of dahlias in there. You see that some of those are germinating. And have Pincushion, Imperial Pincushion, Imperial Mix. And some of those are germinating. This particular tray seems to be doing better than all the other trays when it comes to germinating. And this is another, broccoli that I'm trying to germinate. I have a plastic bag over this one. It hasn't started to germinate yet. And it might be a little too hot for it too, because I'm noticing it's pretty hot. That heat mat is pretty hot. So I'm moving it over here. I don't think broccoli needs that much heat to germinate. Well, that's all for now. I will be starting more seeds around March 15th and March 30th. Most of those will be direct sown outside. This garden is growing larger than I ever intended. But isn't that always how it is? The same thing happened with my chickens. Thanks for joining me in the garden. And please come again. Better yet, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss anything. Bye.